Hey guys, good day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download all Cameroon GCE board pass questions and answers for free. So just head over to Google, get your smartphone, get into your web browser, head over to Google and type download all Cameroon GCE board O-level pass questions and answers. I've just done that above. So once you do that, you click search. So you wait for Google to show you the results. The very first page is our page from Dreampoint Tech, because they know we have valuable resources. So since you're looking for O-level pass questions, you just hit just click on the link. Once you click on the link, you wait for the page to load. It's quite rapid and it uses less data. So all what you need to do is read through the text, scroll down. For the purpose of this video, to make it fast, I'm just gonna go right down rapidly. So of course the instructions on how to download the questions are well written there, so you can go through in case you have any difficulties. So you can just flip down and see all the links to the respective subjects. You have economics, history, geography, literature, you name a few, biology, chemistry, physics, anything you want, mathematics, it's available for free. So all what you need to do is click on the link you want. So if, for example, you want to check out O-level past questions for economics and answers, you just have to click on economics. So once you click on that, you wait for the page to load and you just have to scroll down and get to the link you want. So if you want the paper 1 of economics, let's say for June 2019, all what you need to do is click on the link that corresponds to the question you have, and you would be taken to another web page where you can be able to download your questions for free. So let's take an example. Let's click paper 1 of June 2019 for economics. So once we tap on that, it's going to open in another tab. So on this tab, you just have to wait for a few seconds for your secure download link to finish loading. So if it's your first time on this page, definitely you will have to go through the instructions down to check out how to download the file on our download manager. So once that's done, you just have to swipe up and you get a link to your file. So once you get a link to your file, it takes you down here and you just have to tap on download your file now for you to be able to get your free PDF for work offline. So you can now see on the screen it's popping up asking you to download. So you just need to hit the download button and that's it. It's added to your download list. So that's it for this video. I do not want to make it long, so just smash that subscribe button if this content made you happy. Smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, write your comments down in the comment section below. Tell us if you like what we're doing and if you want us to upload more content about the GCE board. Thank you and see you in another one.